Once you're at the water and doing your final setup, if you're at the beach, you want to avoid getting sand into the electrical contacts and sensitive areas of the eFoil. It's really important to set up in a soft area, such as a grassy area, to protect your equipment. Setting up on asphalt and hard surfaces is really not recommended because you can scratch your board and your wings. Everything on the eFoil is tough, but you want to avoid abusing it. So find a nice clean spot to set up before you go to ride. Find an area in the shade to set up, keeping your board and battery from baking in the sun. If you had to disconnect your mast during transportation, put it back together and reconnect your phase connectors and water cooling system. Open the hatch in a clean area free from water or sand, and place your fully charged battery inside with the stickers facing up using the rubber bumpers as guides. Push the battery firmly against the front wall of the compartment. Immediately secure the battery with the strap and tighten it so it can't fall out during setup. Check to make sure the electrical box is turned off and that the electrical contacts are free from debris such as sand. Then, plug in the power cable using the twist cam lock connector. Remove the protective cover from the data port on the battery and carefully plug in the data cable. This data cable uses sensitive electrical contacts to relay critical information to your electronics box. It's important to keep this connector clean and free of debris and salt water. Always use the protective cover on the battery's data port when the cable is not connected. Damaging this port can permanently ruin your battery, so take care of it. Once all electrical connections are made, make sure the propeller is safely clear of any debris and press the power button one time to boot up the system. Once you press the power button, the light will start flashing blue. Then, the battery will make an audible click indicating it is live. After a few seconds, the motor makes a chime confirming the startup sequence. Familiarize yourself with the startup sequence. This is how you can tell your lift is ready to ride. The startup procedure can take up to 12 seconds for a comprehensive systems check. Power on the hand controller by pressing the power button above the screen. A battery icon will appear on the hand controller screen confirming the hand controller and board are properly paired. If you see a screen indicating no signal, please refer to our guide on properly pairing your hand controller. Once you have confirmed pairing, make sure the propeller is free and clear, and give the controller a small amount of throttle to spin the propeller. Your propeller should be rotating counterclockwise. If it is not, check your phase connector plugs to make sure the colors match. Once you've confirmed your propeller is spinning counterclockwise, press the power button on your hand controller to turn it off. Next, inspect the board compartment seal to ensure that it is free from damage and debris. Carefully close the lid and fasten the latches. So next we're ready to get in the water and start our first ride.